And here, I'll show you how you can do an oil change on your mower. This is the Snapper Comet. I'm pretty sure 3. Do not remember, but there should be a drain bolt right back here. Well, first of all, before you drain your oil, figure out what oil you're going to be putting in it. I got this SA 5W30. Some stuff. You can mix brands. It's the same stuff. It ain't really gonna change anything like at all. Be prepared because oil happens to go everywhere. And see, now this is how you know that your oil needs to be changed. This is all like goopy liquid. That ain't good. You shouldn't run that. Get all up and close. It's leaking on the driveway. Guys, don't worry about that. It is totally fixable. But this is really shitty and really, really bad to run in your mowers. So if you can not do that, you really shouldn't. But if you have to, I would advise having a rag with you before, so you don't have to get one after. But for the extra stuff that leaks out, it's very nice to have. So you're gonna want to wait for like 5 or 10 minutes, and even do this with your pull rope, or I guess if you've got an electric mower, your electric start, and just do that with the electric start instead. You're gonna want to put your drain bolt back on. Okay, you're gonna want to put your drain bolt back on here. I'm struggling right now. Fuck. Dang it, what the hell am I doing right now? God, I hate putting these bolts back on. They never go on right. Always get covered in oil too. Snug it down. Do not over tighten it. I do not know about all lawn mowers or all lawn tractors, but this is what mine looks like. Now, you're gonna want to get your oil pan out from under it. Wipe up any oil, any of the old soppy oil that you spilled all over the machine and all over your driveway and or garage. Gonna just want to get that all cleaned up in there. Get it all in it. This is kind of like some good lube stuff. Now, by any means, no, not by any means am I saying rely on that instead of using like a good, like WD-40 or anything. But if you need oil, or not oil, but a good lube, and you don't got any WD-40 or anything around, it does work. You're gonna wanna look on your dipstick here. That says add. You really want to get it right in between where my fingers are. Have that liquid oil on it. You should be able to put it in the dipstick tube, tighten it down, take it back off, get that oil out, guys. Yeah. And then here, it's not mandatory, but I do use a funnel for putting stuff back in. If you take care of your stuff like I do, which isn't very good. I do not recommend. Do clean it off or like wipe it off. You can get it a little bit nasty. Actually, pretty nasty. Just pour it in there. I'm gonna crack open a brand new Valvoline high mileage for vehicles with 75,000 miles or more, synthetic blend for gasoline engines, max life technology, prevents oil breakdowns, 1 US quart or 946 milliliters. Crack this open. Me personally, I do get 1 quart every time I need to do, or it's getting close to the time for a due date on changing the oil on my machines. If I plan on changing the oil that week, on like Sunday or Monday, I order the correct oil off Amazon. Just how I roll. If I were you and you had the money to do it, I would, if you could, so get a bunch all at once. Also, I don't know if you can see that nasty shit that was in there. This is like a clear yellow. That's some nasty black ass shit. I'm not racist. I'm not racist. Just saying, I don't know it's supposed to look like that. I wouldn't pour the entire container in there either. Gotta have to clean that off, damn it. Okay, just get it in there. You can freehand or use funnel. You do not discriminate and or judge. It's easier if you do use a funnel though. And you see like a 36th of a fourth of a quart that was in that bottle, and like about half of this bottle. So about a bottle, like 2/3, 2-ish thirds of a bottle of oil will top off your oil. That'll be good. You don't have to put a lot, but enough for it to run. And I will give you a preview on how she runs. Just got my oil away. Preview how bitch ass runs. Now, me personally, I don't get rid of any oil containers. I just have the bin back here that I throw them in. Cause it isn't super hard to like get rid of them. I mean, it's not really hard at all to get rid of them. It's kind of expensive because it's not just an empty plastic. So that does kind of suck. It's not the worst thing ever though. Hey, give me your good or something. I don't know. Oh my god. If I were you and you have a shop, don't let people put their stuff in it, because they end up taking it over with all your junk that you don't need in your way. But yeah, oil containers, empty oil containers, I can't really find a use for them. Give them to your kids, let them collect them. I don't know what to say. I get it, to send with them. It's kind of expensive to get rid of them. It's not the worst thing ever. Gotta bring this oil out of here, or get it out of here, not bring it out of here. Get out of here. Now, me personally, between me and my neighbor's garage, it's about here behind my trailer, I have this hole here. If like these bricks will fall in there sometimes, so I just get them out, and I just dump the oil in the hole. But yeah, this is it before. What was in it? Versus like that crystal, kind of crystal clear, yellowy oil stuff. Which is pretty nasty too, by the way. Really nasty. And back here also happens to be the trailer that has all my old engines on it. Or has old engines on it. Not all of my old engines. I have more. I have more. A lot of them I've got rid of. So, I'll usually just leave these here. Cover this back up if the tarp blows off. That happens sometimes. Yeah. Just like get it back strapped up. And then we're good to go. Good till your next oil change. Which, depending on how much you use your machines, will be in 3 to 5 months. Estimated. Not exactly, just because the porridge is cold, doesn't mean it works like that. Okay, little Jimmy. So then you're gonna wanna go inside and get your key, because you change your tractors together, because people do that. So people don't steal them. Realize that you don't know where your key is. Freak out. Realize that you left it upstairs. Realize that you didn't leave it upstairs, and then freak out because you can't find it. Okay. Slowly walk back downstairs, not knowing where your keys are, thinking that you left them back in the garage. Realize that you left them back in the garage. Left downstairs really quickly. So you have to come back inside. You're gonna be really pissed about it, and you're not gonna be happy. You did leave your keys outside, stupid. Because, I don't know. This is what normal people do. Apparently. Okay. And then you're gonna find them on your mini fridge next to your TV. Turn on the TV, because that's what normal people do. Leave the room before the TV even turns on. And then come over here with the key, unlock them, and then put your key back in your key bowl, and then take the lock off, and then I will give you a preview on, I'm gonna show you moving my, I guess depending, I'll give you that. Uh-oh, there's bricks in the tires. Who did that? It was me. Because the brakes on this tractor, ever so slightly, do kind of very much so suck. stand for your broken fucking phone. And then